This is a quick video on grouping layers together. When you group layers, all it means is you're putting them together as a group, so they move together, you can size them together, makes it convenient. A lot of the times you have a couple things that work together, like the sun and the chicken. I want to move the sun, but I also want the chicken to move with it. So what I do is, I hold the control key down. This is one way. That's a temporary group. When they're both highlighted, when I click and drag, they both move. I can also resize both of them as well, and do anything with them while they're grouped together. The other option you have here is while they're highlighted, I can drop a little right click. Now the right click doesn't do it. I can drop this little menu down and go new group from layers. Call it whatever you want. Chicken picture. And now it's put those two layers inside this little folder for you. So now when you have the folder selected, everything moves together. And so it makes this a bit cleaner to look at in here. And when you're done doing that certain layer, you can actually just take it, and if you were totally done, you could lock it up. Locking it up makes it so nobody can change anything on it, so you're not ever going to accidentally go draw or delete a layer on it. You can see I try to move it. Oh, ouch, and it gives you the big no-no. That's really it for grouping layers. As your projects build, group common layers together.